In most areas of the country, contractors are left cooped up all winter and unable to get out on the pavement. As the temperatures start to rise, so does the number of phone calls your customers make to start repairing the damage winter left behind. Temperatures during spring are moderate and do not tend to reach the extremes winter and summer months offer. During spring and fall, the cracks are open to their midway point, so this time of year is considered the optimal time for crack repair. However, contractors must be sure crack sealing operations are only done in dry conditions. Any moisture present in the pavement or crack will prevent adhesion of the crack sealant to the crack walls, increasing the likelihood of failure. Crack sealing is different from crack filling. The goal of sealing and filling are different. Crack sealing prevents intrusion of water, debris, and sunlight, whereas crack filling reduces those intrusions. Crack sealing uses specialized material that will adhere to the pavement and retain the seal as the pavement moves. Crack filling, on the other hand, uses normal materials that do not have high or low temperature properties to remain flexible at low temperatures and stable at high temperatures. When pavement movement takes place, any seal between the filling materials and pavement is broken. Here are the 5 steps to proper crack sealing. 1. Complete crack routing, only if crack sealing. Routing is important for 2 reasons. A. Routing cleans the crack and creates uniform and fresh edges to allow the sealant to adhere better to the pavement. And B. A design-routed reservoir filled with crack sealant has the amount of sealant to expand and contract with the seasonal movement of the pavement, and the sealant is at the right depth below the surface of the pavement to protect it. Routing requires an additional piece of equipment, and while it adds costs to the crack sealing operation, research has shown that routed crack repairs are cost-effective and last over twice as long as non-routed crack repairs. 2. Crack cleaning and drying, for both crack sealing and filling. It is essential to provide a clean, dry crack channel and remove any loose material from the crack. Cracks that are damp or that contain debris will fail because the crack material won't adhere to the pavement. Cleaning consists of using a high-pressure, dry, clean, compressed air, brushing, or vacuuming to remove debris. When there is moisture, clay, or vegetation, you will want to use a hot air lance to clean and dry. Caution: do not burn the crack. 3. Material preparation, for both crack sealing and filling. Contractors should be sure to follow minimum placement temperatures, minimum and maximum material heating temperatures, pot life or application life, that is, the hours material is in melter, and recommended moisture conditions prior to application. 4. Material placement, for both crack sealing and filling. Apply material when the pavement exceeds the minimum pavement application temperature, which is generally 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The cracks must be dry and free from ice and other contaminants. The melter or applicator operator should monitor the temperature and quantity of material, as over or underheating the material can delay the entire operation and decrease sealant service life performance. 5. Blotting, possibly for both crack sealing and filling. Blotting protects the uncured crack treatment from tracking under traffic and is used in areas where traffic needs to travel on the material before it cures. Toilet paper, cement powder, talcum powder, lime, sand, and limestone chips are common blotting materials. There are also chemical detactifying products specifically designed to allow the road to immediately be open to traffic and prevents leaving materials behind on the road that looks untidy. Cure your spring fever with proper crack repair. By following the steps above, you can provide the best possible crack repair for your customers.